now I gotta go back and get it. You see, I'm really trying to adult and do things like, I don't know, pay bills, pay student loans, just all these different adulting things that I need to do to function in this society. But no, I can't, because what? Profusion. Hey guys, thank you so much for tuning back into my channel. Today I'm going to show you all these new products I've been getting from Target, from Profusion, and I am shook. I am shook because from what I'm seeing right now, these palettes are coming through for the low. So I previously bought 2 palettes and I've been loving these so far. This is the Royals palette and this one is the Classics palette. The dark shades in these palettes aren't amazing, but everything else is absolutely beautiful. Like, I love these palettes so much. I posted a video wearing a makeup look featuring the Royals palette. I'm gonna link it to this video so you guys can see for yourself. And I don't have any words. I'm speechless. Even if every single shade isn't amazing in these palettes, just for the price, was it $4.99? $4.99 or $5.99? And they're 15% off at Target, okay, using the app. And if you use your red card, additional 5%. You can't beat that. You can't. So I went back and I picked up some more things. I saw these palettes and I died. That was hella dramatic, but no, seriously. Look at the color range of this. This is the Chocolates palette and this is Siennas. I mean, how gorgeous are these palettes? Lordy. And they all come with a dual-ended brush, which actually isn't all that bad. I might try this out to perform the job. I picked up this Blush and Glow 2 palette, and this features 2 blushes and 3 highlighter colors. I bought another eye palette because, I mean, clearly 10,000 isn't enough. I need 10,001. Oh, I'm so sorry. I forgot the fan was on. Let me turn it off real quick. Sorry, you should be able to hear me better. Okay, so I bought this mainly because, well, one, I love the color scheme, but also because it comes with a liquid eyeliner pen and eyeshadow primer. So I completely forgot this came with eyeshadow primer, so I already primed my eyes. But at least this way, you'll see the true quality of the shadows. I guess I should probably do something with the Siennas palette since this color scheme is what's matching my outfit at the moment. So, let's see. I'm going to start off with the shade Dynasty as my transition color, and then I'm going to deepen it with a bit of the shade Daring up here. I'm going to use a shade Tickled as well as the shade Certain on the lid. Oh, I forgot to use these brushes. My bad. So I'm going to use the flat side of the brush to apply the lid colors on one eye, and then I'm going to use my regular eyeshadow brush to apply the lid colors on the other eye to see if the brush makes any difference. So the shadow is clinging to my eyelid. I'm not sure how I feel about that, but the pigment is okay despite the fact that I haven't sprayed it. And that's with Tickled, and let's see how Certain looks. So I'm using the other side of the brush to apply Certain, and I'm making sure to really coat the brush with the product to make sure I get the most amount of pigment. And I'm gonna go in with the shade here. Let me go in with the lighter shade again, Tickled. Once again, coating the brush, spraying it. Oh yeah, that definitely increases the intensity. Woo! Wow. These brushes are not bad. Wow. Okay. So the shadow still looks extremely textured. It's bringing out the texture of my eyelid. I don't particularly enjoy that, but I still think that overall the eye looks good. I'm going to take this fluffy side here and use a shade Groovy to deepen up my outer V. It's almost flat at the top. I kind of wish it was a bit more tapered so that I can really get into the fold, or I guess the crease of the eye a bit more. So I feel like with this shape, the product will disperse kind of all over the place. So I only put a little bit on the side, and I'm trying to be, what's the word I'm looking for? Strategic as to how I'm applying the shadow with this brush. So I'm just deepening the outer corner just a little bit. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Why nothing wrong with it? Yes, Hansi. Yes. Yes. I'm like, do I even want to try to another brush? Do I even want to? Like, she is doing a good job. Wow. But I already told you guys I would, so let me keep my word. So I'm gonna take my faithful eyeshadow brush, and this is the Royal and Langnickel Omnia Balm 40 Shader Brush. That is a long AF name. Okay, so the fluffier brush applies the product a bit differently. Oh, see, it's a good thing I use another brush. So it's still textured, but I feel like it's not as textured. And I'll confirm this after I apply the shadows wet. Whoa. I'm breaking my neck. Using this brush almost gives it like, I don't know if I want to say foiled effect, but close to it. And I'm a little frustrated because I feel like my eye shape is looking completely different right now. But okay. I mean, the brush was cute, but using my brush was better. But you know, if you don't have this brush, or you don't have any brushes, you could still get a bomb look. I ain't mad though. No, I ain't mad. Alright, just building up that crease. And you see when the brush is tapered, when it comes to a point, you can really focus that point right where you want it to once again be strategic about where you're placing the eyeshadow. So you don't have to like overly finesse the brush to do what you want it to do. To do what you want it to do, mommy. Okay, okay. Yes, do you guys like my eyes? Do you like my eyes? Now I'm gonna use this little baby Profusion palette just because. Why not? And I'm gonna use some of these colors to enhance my bottom lash line. I'm gonna use this middle shade right here to smudge out my bottom lash. So we're gonna try the eyeliner. I'm a little scared. A little scared. So, oh. First of all, why is it so thick? Do y'all see that? And it's like not even straight. I don't know what's going on with this liner. But we're gonna see. I mean, I guess it's alright. I actually really like this. What the heck? Upon first application, it's super dark. I know y'all see how dark that is, or maybe you don't. But it's super dark. It applied so easily, like, and smoothly. And it's matte. So I'm gonna use this shade right here called Lovejoy. And I like these blushes because they have a bit of a sheen to them, so they're not a flat shade. So, you know, your girl likes to look a little glowy. I don't want to overdo it, like we all know I can do. So I'm going to first use the shade Passion. I'm gonna use the shade Passion, and then I'm going to top it with Elated as my highlighters. Because I'm what? Extra. I'll wait. I will wait because I need to know why Profusion thinks that they can drop these cheap bangers on us like this at Target for the low. Like, who? And you know the crazy part is they have a whole palette, probably the size of this one, dedicated to like highlighters and cheek products. Like, it's like a, now I gotta go back and get it. You see, I'm really trying to adult and do things like, I don't know, pay bills, pay student loans, just all these different adulting things that I need to do to function in this society. But no, I can't, because what? Profusion. This is just magnificent. Wow. Wow. Lord. This is amazing. Y'all, if this lip combo is a banger, I don't have any words, honestly. I do not have any words. So the first thing I notice is a lip liner is fat. It is big as hell. But that's alright, because I'm fat and I'm big as hell. So clearly we're a couple. We go hand in hand. That's how we do. And it smells good. Oh, I am officially shook. It's so creamy. Oh. Okay, maybe a little bit too creamy because the tip just broke off. Yikes. So I'm gonna try it again, this time only putting out just the tiniest bit. This is like an extremely soft lip liner. Wow. You know, some vampy colors aren't as opaque as they seem in the tube, and you can tell that they have like a reddish or berry-ish tint underneath them because you see a lot more of that berry than the true color of the lip product. You're not getting that with this color at all. What you see is what you get. When you swipe, that is an even color all a freaking round. It's not sticky at all. Wow, I would love to leave it like this, but I'm gonna go ahead and top it with the sparkling lip topper. Oh my god. Wow, this is beautiful. And this shade is beautiful. Okay, I don't like the wand. Sure, off the bat, I already know I don't like this. Oh, this is interesting. Is this plastic? Hold on, let me remove the product from this. Okay, it's not plastic. I think the bristles were just stuck together, which is kind of gross. I don't really know what's going on with that situation here. I'm kind of just like moving it around to loosen it up. I absolutely hate the wand. I don't know what's going on here, but let me see if you can tell. I don't know what's going on with that, but we'll try it. Okay. Oh. So the tube is purple with these gorgeous gold flecks in them. And you can totally see that in the actual product itself. So personally, I am not a fan of glossy vampy lips or any kind of topper or glitter or anything just on dark lips, period. So I don't like this combo, but I would love to see how this works over a nude or over some kind of like mauvey pinky color. Because the gold flecks are very apparent in the product and it's super pretty. So if you like that look, that might work for you. The highlighters were amazing. The lip is amazing. The eyes are beautiful. The eyeliner, I'm still shook. I really thought it was going to be watery and streaky, but it glides on like butter. I was real skeptical about the actual felt tip of the eyeliner before, but it really worked out amazingly and I love it. I hope you guys give it a try, and if you do, let me know. So before you leave, don't forget to check out another one of my videos, see what's popping here and what's popping here, and I will see you in one of them videos, because you finna click it, right? You finna watch some more. You finna watch some more. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next video. Toodles!